Formax presents the Cut-Tru 22S Guillotine Cutter. The Formax Cut-Tru 22S semi-automatic electric guillotine cutter is ideal for transforming large digitally printed sheets into brochures, invitations, and more. Making crisp, accurate cuts, this semi-automatic cutter is a welcome addition to print shops and in-plant finishing operations. Featuring a rugged all-metal stand and a variety of safety systems, the 22S can accommodate paper sizes up to 16.9 inches wide and easily cut through stacks up to 1.75 inches high. Accurate cutting is easy thanks to the spindle-guided back gauge with calibrated scales and LED digital readout. The display can be set to standard or metric sizes. Using these and the bright LED laser line, operators can make fine adjustments and see exactly where the blade will cut. The geared clamping system lowers the paper clamp for secure positioning, while the durable heat-treated steel blade makes smooth, clean cuts every time. Safety is a top priority, which is why the Cut-Tru includes several features for safe operation. A transparent Plexi-Glass cover encloses the blade during the cutting process, and when open, it prevents the blade from being lowered. The Cut-Tru 22S also utilizes electronic dual button activation. Both buttons must be pushed at the same time to lower the cutting blade, which prevents unintentional blade movement. In addition, the 22S features a power switch and key lock for secure operation. Changing cutting sticks and blades is quick and easy, right from the front of the cutter. The Cut-Tru 22S includes a blade change safety tool, along with other tools needed to replace blades and cutting sticks. The cutting stick has 4 usable surfaces and can be rotated to each side before being replaced. A simple mechanical release lever allows for quick and easy cutting stick removal. Operators can safely remove the blade using the blade change tool, which is included with every Cut-Tru cutter. Simply lower the blade and lock it into position. Remove the 4 outer screws using the tools provided. Attach the blade change tool. Remove the center screw. Then safely remove and replace the blade. To adjust the blade cutting depth, use the tool provided to make the necessary adjustments. Formax Cut-Tru replacement blades and cutting sticks are a great value at 25 to 50% lower cost than competitors. The Formax Cut-Tru 22S semi-automatic guillotine cutter is accurate, durable, user-friendly, and a welcome addition to print shops and in-plant finishing.